Hello everyone, welcome to Analytical Classes Excel tutorials from beginner to advanced level. So in this class, we are going to see how to calculate the interest payment. Suppose we have taken a loan and we have to calculate how much interest we have paid in a specific month or in a specific period. So IPMT interest payment function in Excel calculates the interest portion of a payment for a specific period of an investment or loan based on a constant interest rate, regular payments, and a fixed term. This is useful for breaking down loan payments into principal and interest components. Like when we pay an EMI for a loan, it includes both the interest and the principal. So if we want to calculate how much interest portion we have paid till yet, then this function is very useful. The formula for this function is IPMT rate, comma per, comma n per, comma PV, comma FV, comma type. Now what are these? Rate is the interest rate. Per is the period for which you want to calculate the interest. Must be between 1 and n per. Suppose we have taken a loan for 3 years, then the n per will be 36 months. But if you want to calculate the interest for the first year, means for the 12 year, then in this case the per will be 12. So per is the period for which you want to calculate the interest and n per is the total number of period. PV is the present value or the loan value. So you have to put either PV or FV. So PV is the present value, means you want to give, if you have taken a loan, then that will be the present value, and FV is the future value which you want at the end of the last payment. Type is the same, 0 for the end and 1 for the beginning. So suppose you have taken a loan with the following details, like loan is for 10,000, rate is 6% per annum and time period is 5 years. So dividing it by 12 for making it on a monthly basis will give us more clarity, and converting years into months, multiplying it by 12, now we got the information. So payment are made at the end of the each month, so we have to type 0 will be there. And suppose we want to calculate the interest portion of the first month's payment. So interest for first month of payment will be calculated using the IPMT function. Rate is this, comma per is 1 because it is the first month, n per is this, PV is 10,000, FV is 0, and type is 0 because payment are made at the end of the each month. So pressing enter will give us 50 rupees of interest. Now let's assume we want to calculate the interest paid after 1 year. So in this case, IPMT rate, comma per will be 12 and n per will be 60, comma PV will be 10,000, FV will be 0, type will be 0, pressing enter will give us 41.92. So interest for the 12th month will be 41 rupees. So you are seeing that in the first month the interest is 50 rupees, and as we approach toward the end, means if we are moving further, the 12th month interest is 41. Let's put it to 59. Assuming we want the 59th month interest, so it is 1.92 only. So you can see that in this way we can calculate the interest for any specific month. Some additional point regarding the IPMT function is the interest portion decreases with each payment as the principal amount reduces. So you must be knowing that in EMI, in the initial period the interest portion is higher and the principal is lower. With the passage of the time, as your loan reaches its maturity, the interest payment decreases and the principal payment increases. So you will see the interest payment decreasing in your loan amortization table. So combining IPMT function with a PPMT function, which calculate the principal portion of a payment for a detailed breakdown of payments, will give you exact situation of your loan. Use negative value for PV if the loan amount is outgoing. So hope you like the video, and if so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.